Hi everyone, welcome to the Maureen Bradley Design Studios. I'm your host, Stephanie Reese. I am a new Jesse James Beads Design Ambassador, and they have sent me my first packet for the month of June, and I would like to unbox it for you to show you what they sent me. So hold on for just 1 second while I turn the camera around so you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna take what they sent out. It came in this really nice pouch, and I got a soft flex beading wire in turquoise color, and I have this beautiful Jesse James bead strand in African lilac. I love these druzy beads mixed with these larger purple rondelles next to these gold rondelles with all the crystals. This is absolutely beautiful. And then they sent me the Summer Fun collection in Shark Week. So I'll get this open and I'm going to dump out the contents for you. These beads are absolutely beautiful. It's a big collection. There's a lot of beads in here. I love these shell printed beads with sharks on them. These beautiful, I love this turquoise abalone color beads. Some square, where's the other one? Square turquoise beads, along with these green bicones, so beautiful. And then we have some recycled glass in here that goes so well with all the sparkle in here. It's in blue and green, and this AB colored white. And then we have some of these other fabulous, these look like speckled with paint beads in blue and white, so beautiful. We also have some metal in here. I've never seen these charms before, so I'm so excited about these pelicans. And we have some turtles in here. The bead goes through the center. That's so fabulous. And they also sent in some, this packet contains, where's the other one? These blue turquoise drops and some hammerhead shark drops that I can see as being some earrings. And then they also included these spiral rounds, so beautiful, in different sizes. Look at that. And you also get a good amount of these bead caps, and just a fabulous mix of beads. And I will be making something and showing you soon what my collection will be. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing from Maureen Bradley Designs. Thank you.